today we have with us Dr. Sudarshana Banerjee ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics and Assistant Dean, Curricular Development. So a very warm welcome to you on our interview series named Thoughts on Education ma'am. So ma'am will be starting this interview with this short introduction of yours. So please go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudarshana Banerjee, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics and Assistant Dean, Curriculum Development, Srinath University. As all of us know that Jamshedpur is a very small town and Srinath is an emerging university started from 21 onwards, and we have right now total nine schools and several branches inside that. I have joined here as an assistant professor in the Department of Physics from 23 onwards, and previously I have worked in several other workplaces. I have done my PhD from IIST Shivpur in the field of nanoscience and nanotechnology. Prior to that, I have done my MSc in physics and BSc with physics honors from Jamshedpur itself, because I am born and brought up in Jamshedpur. The environment of Srinath is too good. Since I am here from 23 onwards, I feel a comfortable zone and workplace it is too nice for me.
Why should a student go for physics? Like, how come it's adding qualities in their life or in their career?
See, physics, basically, when we talk about physics, it is not only physics. In generally, we talk about the whole category PCM, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics. These all are foundation courses. And when we relate physics to the total world or outer world, physics is basically everywhere. We belong to the physical world. So, when we have to understand these physical systems and phenomena, what is happening in and around us, so we need to go for the physical this definitions and derivations. So physics is everywhere. So in basically this courses what we run in this department, we try to incorporate in between the students that the physical world is nothing in beyond ourselves. It is just we have to share and understand this physical world in the terms of physical phenomena.
So, ma'am, I would love to know what are the different courses which are running as of now?
Basically, we run PSc Physics Honors,
Okay.
MSc Physics, PhD in Physics, and these are all departmental courses. Other than that, this physics department also has interdisciplinary aspects in the engineering also, because as this physics is a foundation course, so diploma and for BTech in engineering, we need physics for the first year. It is compulsory.
What are the unique approaches or unique things which is done by the physics department, so that the students of Srinath University will dive down and learn more things about physics?
There are several labs which we conduct in our total curriculum.
Okay.
These labs are properly incorporated. What they study, they get it hands-on practice in the lab, and in general we arrange workshops, seminars, online some module lectures, and even industrial visit also, so that they can get incorporated in the physical world in a very well manner. And in general, the new techniques that are evolving in today's world, we get them accustomed with these techniques, because the application of, though physics is everywhere spread out, but the application of physics is deep dived in research. So not only they are going for their degree courses, we approach them for the research aspect also. So after pursuing their BSc, that is graduation or masters, when they are performing their research career in physics onwards, because physics is a multidisciplinary research work is going on over the world, and if we do not incorporate or enhance their knowledge or boost their knowledge in physical world, or what type of research is performing in the overall world, they will don't get understand what's going on or what will be the future aspect of physics, why they are going through this physics and why they are achieving this degree.
You mentioned about industrial visits. So if you could throw a bit more light on that, then it will be very beneficial for the viewers who will be watching this video.
Yeah, in general, presently we are in already under the UGC guidelines, that is CBCS curriculum, that is
Okay.
choice-based credit system.
Mhm.
The CBCS curriculum does not focuses so much on the skill enhancement courses, though it is there. But as per we all know that National Education Policy that was launched in 2020, the NEP 2020, it is focusing totally on the skill-based courses. So from now onwards, we have incorporated the skill-based courses, and the industrial visit is a part of it, because it is quite not possible for each and every student to think and to gather the knowledge but just by study or by reading. It's quite not possible. But when they visualize the things in industry, because these phenomena or the instruments that are being used in industry, they are quite comfortable to get relate in between the theory and the practical.
What are the different extra activities which is performed under the department?
See, in present days, it is quite natural that a person should not be only a degree learner, or just bookish knowledge is not sufficient.
Okay.
So, there are several other activities like art and craft and NCC and yoga classes and meditation type of things. Even some project handling, project based models preparation, then there are several workshop agendas are there. So we in between that, throughout this curriculum, we incorporate in between within 1 month, 1.5 months, though their study is not being hampered, but we incorporate in between workshops, seminars and other working models, so that they can get accustomed with the every and aspect of the whole environment.
Okay, ma'am, got it. Ma'am, if you could throw light on career prospects of going with physics.
Yeah, after doing graduation, basically this is a basic degree, as so the students can opt for masters. After completing masters, they can go for any type of job, because after completing masters, there is several jobs where they can go for research, they can go for some educational teaching aspect. And if they are coming to research, nowadays research in physics is quite touched its new heights. Recently, we have know that the astrophysical science and this Aditya L1 and Chandrayaan 3, this is also a physical aspect launched these satellites. And
Ma'am, if you could throw light on the placement of physics department of students.
yeah, this as I have told earlier,
Mhm.
that they can go for teaching aspect just like us. They can, if they are being after a masters, they are qualified NET exams or GET exams, they can go for MTech also. They can opt for PhD in physics, and after completing this PhD, they can join any research labs, any educational institutes, and any industry also, because physics is everywhere. So where there is some industrial exposure, they can join.
What are the things you would love to say to the future generations who are planning to go for physics or who are planning to take admission in Srinath University?
See, physics is everywhere. It is just you have to understand the physics in your own words. So try to relate the outer physical world with your inner physical world, and just think of it and boost your mind.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable information. Every student who will be watching this interview will definitely be benefiting. So thank you so much for your time, ma'am.